In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the Alpha Old-Fashioned Donut in Pokemon Legends ZA Mega Dimensions DLC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this specific donut is used to encounter a primal Kyogre, which you're going to need this recipe. So to go ahead and get this, you're going to have to give it to a chef called Ansha, which is only available in the DLC. So make sure you have the Mega Dimensions DLC, and she's going to be usually located around Hotel Z on the rooftop specifically. So go ahead and check there. And what you want to do is you're going to need 2 base Hyper Berries, 1 Hyper Caliber Berry, 1 Haben Berry, 1 or 3 Papaya Berries, 1 Carb Berry, and you're going to need 8 berries in total altogether. Once you get those, you're going to be able to find Primal Kyogre on the map, but you're going to have to obviously give all the ingredients and everything over to the character called Ansha, who is a chef on Hotel Z, so on top of it, and then yeah, you'll be good to go and you'll be able to get that donut. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other Pokemon Legends ZA tutorials on the channel.